morning, everybody. We got a little bit of that ice storm so far. As you can see, he's beautiful white. Started about 3 o'clock, stopped about 6. A little frozen, coming out of the south. Dig it. I can dig it very well. Hope everybody's having a good, safe day, staying warm. Still feel some ice coming down. Supposed to last till Monday. It's fine with me. Kind of stuck here anyway. Peace, love, and unity, y'all. Stay warm. Don't forget to love your children. Bring your pets inside. Kiss a pretty girl. Shake hands with a stranger and all that good stuff. Pass out. Yeah.